Covering Mercer County, heavy rains over the last month caused the Shenango Reservoir to overflow. That caused the park to close for certain activities. But today everything reopened just in time for the 4th of July. Here's 27 First News reporter Rod Cowan.
Since its completion as a flood control dam in 1965, the Shenango Reservoir has kept a lot of Mercer County from downstream flooding. Over the past month, there's been nearly 10 extra feet of water in the reservoir. Although there is evidence of high water and soggy ground all over the park, campers, anglers, hikers, and outdoor lovers can rejoice. Rangers and ground crews were busy today reopening some of the park that had been closed from the flooding. Campers were waiting before the gates opened at 2 p.m. and according to park officials, there was a steady stream of campers coming in this evening. However, there is only one boat ramp open. At the North Star Marina, the Shenango Reservoir is over 2 feet above normal level and the water temperature is up to 75 degrees. At last check at the station, there was 200 campsites that were available for the upcoming weekend. Rod Cowan, WKBN 27 First News.